Interesting stuff to know. Part 3. Do you know when you yawn, it actually helps cool down your brain? Yes, you heard that right. Yawning isn't just about being sleepy or bored. Research suggests that yawning increases blood flow and draws in cooler air, which may help regulate brain temperature and maintain optimal mental performance. It works like a natural AC for your brain. Now, here's the crazy part. Scientists found that animals with larger brains and more neurons tend to yawn longer because a bigger brain produces more heat, and yawning helps cool it down, which means yawning is directly linked to brain size and complexity. So next time you catch yourself yawning, don't stop it. Your brain might just be trying to chill itself out. And let me know if your brain just cooled down while watching this.